In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat and your mic not working here on a PS5 on Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's a few things that I want you to check. Firstly, on the PS5 itself, if you press the PlayStation button and then go down to sound, make sure that your output device is correct. If you're using a headset, make sure your headset is selected. If you're using TV speakers, for example, make sure it is set to your TV. Sometimes the PS5 will default to a headset even if you're not using one, so make sure you double check that. But from here, go ahead and open up your game settings, and what you're going to want to do, and from here, what you're going to want to do is actually go into the audio settings by going to this little settings gear over here and scrolling down to audio, and go over to the voice chat tab right here and make sure the voice chat is turned on. If it's not enabled, you're not going to hear anyone in game. Also, make sure that your mic isn't muted. Some people forget that on a PS5 controller it has a physical mute button. If it's lit up orange, your mic is going to be muted. And then check to make sure that your correct input device is on the right input device here in Black Ops 7 as well. After that, what you're going to want to do is go to the chat section over here and make sure that you have game chat turned on. If you want proximity chat, enable that as well. But if people say that your mic is too quiet, raise your microphone volume. You can boost it as highly as you need. You can also adjust your mic threshold. The higher the value, the less sensitive your mic is going to be. And if you do want your mic to pick up your voice more easily, lower that threshold. But that is it. After checking these settings, your mic and voice chat should be working properly. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.